That capability has made Mythos a watershed. Its autonomous zero-day vulnerability discovery, finding software flaws that no one has yet identified in source code and compiled binaries and chaining them into working exploits. Anthropic's Red Team reports thousands of such discoveries across major operating systems and every major web browser, with more than 99% of those vulnerabilities still unpatched at the time of their announcement. The model demonstrated the ability to combine four independent bugs into an exploitive chain that bypassed both the browser renderer and the operating system sandboxes. Anthropic is explicit that it did not train Mythos for cyber offensive performance. That capability emerged downstream of broader gains in code reasoning, agentic autonomy, and long horizon planning. This is the most important framing point in the entire conversation. Cyber capability is now an emergent property of capability and not a specified research direction. It will appear in every frontier model that crosses a similar threshold of reasoning and software engineering ability, including those trained by labs that may be less inclined to gate the releases. And this brings us to the Project Glasswing and the gating structure. Anthropic does not plan to release Mythos to the public. Instead, the model has been distributed through Project Glasswing, an industry consortium of named launch partners alongside 40 additional organizations that build or maintain critical software infrastructure. Public Glasswing partners include Apple, Microsoft, Google, AWS, Cisco, JP Morgan Chase, Palo Alto Networks, and Mozilla. Anthropic has committed to up to 100 million in model usage credits to Project Glasswing, plus 4 million in different donations to open source security organizations including Alpha Orange, OpenSSF, and Apache Software Foundation. The argument behind Project Glasswing is symmetry. The same capability that enables an attacker to find vulnerabilities at scale enables the defender to find and patch them at scale, but only if the defenders move first. Herein, we would also like to point out Mythos Gating reflects Anthropic's responsible scaling policy, the internal framework that defines capability thresholds requiring additional safeguards before public deployment. Mythos triggers thresholds that earlier cloud models did not. Anthropic has signaled that it intends to launch new safeguards with the upcoming Opus model, one that does not present the same risk profile, and use the release to refine the controls that would eventually allow Mythos class capabilities to be deployed more broadly.